Awesome friends, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michon and I do weekly DIYs, hauls, and other fun things. If you're not new, hey doll, hey. So today, I hope you know what day it is. It is Hump Day haul. And today I have some really awesome finds for you from my local thrift store, the Goodwill. I went on a couple of trips to 2 different stores. I'm super excited to share the items that I have with you guys. I know some of you won't be able to find the exact same items, but just like all Dollar Trees are not created equally, I hope that you enjoyed this video and maybe get some inspiration to find other things that you may see at your local Goodwills or even Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target, all that good jazz. If you do continue to enjoy this video, I would really appreciate if you gave me a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, I would love if you would consider subscribing and hitting the bell right next to it so you're notified every time that I upload. Alright dolls, let's jump right in to see the good things that I got at the Goodwill. So lately I have been super excited to go to my local Goodwills to see what I could find to inspire me to recreate some really good bones of an item to something that fits my daily home decor and that I don't have to spend a whole lot of money on. So let's jump right into the first few items. I'm not one to really spend a lot of time in the glass section, but this time I decided to give it a little bit of TLC and just really parse through some of the items that I got there. So let me start with these canisters. Oh my gosh. So it's a 4-pack, right? So we have these two, this size, and then we have these sizes right here. Okay, they were each $2.99. This is really good quality and I love the wood top on it, and I think these are just so pretty. I am so excited to make these over. You know my motto, paint cures all, and painting these is going to give it just the love that it needs, and just putting different design on it, using my Cricut for something. But I just love these and I can't wait to redo them and style them in my kitchen. So I picked up a few other glass pieces, and you guys, I am loving the glass section. Okay, so I got this one right here. Look at how pretty this is, how it's ribbed on the side. I absolutely love this. I think that this is going to be so gorgeous once I paint it and do a little bit of sanding to give it that distressing, and it's going to be so much fun. Guess how much this was, y'all? 79 cents. 79 cents. Like, this was cheaper than the Dollar Tree, and you can get something this size at the Dollar Tree, but it's not going to have the detail that this has in it. And that's what I have been realizing now that I'm taking a little bit more time in Goodwill and thrift stores, that you can actually find some of these glass pieces much cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And a lot of times they have the same glasses, like the vases, at the Goodwill from the Dollar Tree. I don't know how. I mean, obviously people are giving their stuff to Goodwill, so that's probably how. But this one right here was 99 cents. And I mean, same price as Goodwill, a penny cheaper. But I love the shape of it. Look at, it's like welded and like a, I don't know, it's like, almost looks like a waterfall. It's like turning. I love it. I think it's so pretty. Of course, painting again. And then I found this mason jar. I think this was 25 cents actually. She gave it to me for 25 cents because there was no tag on it. But how cute is it? It says live, laugh, love. I absolutely love that phrase. I think it's so pretty. It's so cute, and I'm so excited to paint this and sand down the words on it and put some pretty florals in here. I think it's going to be super cute year round in my house. And then I found these two, I think they're like wood candle holders. They were each 99 cents, and it looks like they had like some gold like leaves or flakes on it. I don't know what's that called, gold flakes, gold leaves on it. But they just hold simple candles, sticks in there, and I think these are really cute. It almost kind of looks like, I'm not sure if somebody DIY'd this, or let me just take the tag off and see where they picked it up from. Oh, they picked it up from World Market, and is a white and gold bottle taper holder. So this is exactly what it looked like when they purchased it. And yeah, you just put a candle in it. I think they're really, really cute as a set. I would have preferred to buy them for $1 together, but hey, not too shabby, because you can get candlestick holders at Dollar Tree for $1. So that was good. I really enjoyed that buy. So I picked up some really nice signs that are a good base for me to start with redoing them. And this first one is this long sign. It says back in the saddle. Again, I think it's really pretty. It came from 12 Numbers. I have no idea what store that is. It was $3.99 for this, and I love that it already has like kind of like a distressing look to it on the edges. But how fun to repaint this and even make it like a not a shelf, but like put hooks in there to make it a, you know, a key holder or something, a mask holder, who knows. But I'm super excited that I got this. And then for my next sign, I actually picked up this metal sign. It says, "Bless this home and all who enter here." It was only $1.99, and it already has the sawtooth hangers on here. So this is gonna be so much fun to redo this. Absolutely love it. I love that it's metal, so I can do so much with this. The next sign that I picked up is actually, I think it was a picture frame. So it doesn't have anything on the inside. This was $3.99, and it came from arttoframes.com, but I absolutely love this frame. So I'm really excited to change this out, just give this a little bit of a paint upgrade to match my home decor, which is more like whites, blacks, and browns and stuff like that. Different rooms have different aesthetics, so we'll see. All right, so then the next sign that I have is actually a hook holder or something, I don't know. But it cost me $2.99. It came from Home Goods. It was originally $13 on here. It's all broken up, so I plan on just taking this all apart, maybe kind of redoing it in kind of the same way. But I just really love the shape and the dimensions of this. I think it's really, really pretty. I really like this color. It's not something that I would style in my home, only because the color is just a little bit too bright for what I do have around. But yeah, and then it already has the little hangers here for me. So yeah. If these were not broken off, I would totally just repaint them and reuse them. There's only one good one left, so maybe I could use one of them, but we'll see. So I'm really excited about this find right here. Last couple of signs I have is this really fun one. This only cost me $1.99, but I love the wood slats on it. I really hope this was a G for my last name Green, but hey, C for Caleb, right? But I think it's just really, really cute. I think it's gonna take me a while to kind of take this off and apart. It seems like it's like really stuck on there. But just still so fun to redo with, and only $1.99. And it already has the hooks on the back as well. So that's a fun find. And I am not one to buy anything like this, but I couldn't pass it up. I thought it was so cute and would go so well with like my farmhouse decor. It's this little pig. I am just not, I'm a farmhouse style person, but I'm like farmhouse chic. I'm not really like the farmhouse style where I have to have like the animals. But I just thought this would be a nice change and really something fun for me to challenge myself creatively, to try something different. And this was only 99 cents, but I love the fact that it's wood, and I think it would be really fun to put on a sign, or even if I had like on a tiered tray or a tray or something, would be fun. But I couldn't pass it up. It was too cute. So now I'm moving on to my trays and my baskets that I found. So this first one is like this floral tray, and this is definitely something you can make with Dollar Tree supplies, but I couldn't pass this up because it just seemed like really good quality wood. I'm pretty sure it's wood. It was only $1.99. And I just think this has really good bones, and it's a really good base to repaint and do something with. Of course, probably keeping the same shape, but just, you know, doing something a little bit more. I think this is really, really cute. I mean, this is pretty. It's just not my style, but I think it's still pretty gorgeous. I don't know, I really like this side. I might keep something. I don't know. It's pretty. These florals are pretty. And the next three are probably my favorite buys for during these trips. And the first one is this tray. Oh my word. Now, this cost me $8.99, but I am almost certain that this is an easy $50 to $60 somewhere. Could be more, who knows? But just the rod, the steel rods is so pretty, and like the wood slats right here. I love this. This is definitely something that you would see like in furniture stores where they style them. I just think this is adorable, and it has such a high-end look. All I really need to do is like clean this up. I don't even think I want to paint this. Maybe I'll paint this white, who knows? It would look really good on an oversized ottoman. I have one in my family room, so that's where I plan on putting this. But I'm super excited about this buy. It's just so pretty, and I've wanted a tray like this for the longest. All right, so for my next tray, this is definitely getting a paint job, but I absolutely love this. I love the detail of the ends right here, the circular thing, but I absolutely love this. I definitely will cover the bottom up. It has some hooks on here, so I believe there's definitely something that's missing on this back end. I don't think that I would make this a sign. I don't know, because I really love the detail of the rim right here. So maybe just covering it up with some nautical rope or something, or just putting even down, you know, some of the MDF board or something. We'll see, but I'm super excited to give this a paint job and make this over because I think it's so pretty. Again, it would be really nice on an ottoman, or even if you just put it on top of like your coffee table. Like I have a wood coffee table in my sitting room, and that's where I'm thinking this would go. I think it's a great standout piece, and it's really extra large for you to put multiple items to change out for the seasons. I'm super excited about this, and there was no tag on this, so she gave this to me for $1.99, y'all. $1.99. Absolutely love it. This was my other most expensive piece. This was $8.99 as well. But how pretty is this metal? I want to say cast iron, but it ain't cast iron. It's definitely just metal. But look at the detail on this piece, you guys. How pretty is this? This definitely will be going by my fireplace. Super easy. I just plan on painting this using some spray paint. I love the heirloom white color. This would definitely look so great next to my fireplace, which is like a light wood brown, but we're changing it out to do some like a gray stone. So yeah, this would still look great, and I don't care. I will repaint this as many times as I need to fit where it's gonna go in my house. I just am gonna have so much fun putting the wood in here, but I'm pretty sure that's what this is for, is next to your fireplace to put wood in. And even if it's not, that's what I'm gonna use it for. So you guys know I have been obsessed with making wreaths lately, and so I actually really scoured one of the Goodwills I went to in their wreath section and found two really good wreaths that will act as a great base for some upcoming wreaths that I do want to make. And so the first one I am sharing with you is this really pretty wreath. Somebody thought about this. They took a long time to get this together. It's really, really pretty. It's a fall wreath that says welcome friends. And I mean, this stuff is actually, this is really, really nice and really good. Nothing is glued on here. It's all just kind of wired to the back. It was $2.99, and taking this apart is going to be so much fun. and I already could just use all this stuff for fall DIYs, but this wreath is just such in good pristine condition. And then my last item and my last wreath, I'm so excited about this one, you guys. Look at this beautiful wreath. Oh, flowers already falling off, but obviously this was a summer or spring wreath for someone, but I love the size of this. I have been wanting to have this large wreath like this. I usually make my larger wreaths with either the large wreath forms at Dollar Tree, like the 12-inch ones, or hula hoop, and try to make it look a little bit bigger. But sometimes it's so large and skinny that it doesn't really fill in towards the middle part. But this one will definitely do the trick. Look at how thick and how pretty this is. And just even decorating one side of it and leaving the other side exposed, it's gonna be so much fun. Everything is glued in, but it looks like it's falling apart rather easily. So this is gonna be fun to recreate. This was also $2.99. But I absolutely love it. And yeah, I'm so excited about this reform, you guys. All right, dolls and friends, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Be blessed, stay safe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. All right. So close to the couch. Do you know what day it is? Hump day! So I'm sure you guys know what today is. It's Wednesday. Woo! What is this? It's not ceramic.